Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix NVIDIA display settings are not available, NVIDIA control panel display settings missing and NVIDIA control panel not showing. Method 1. Ensure monitor is plugged into NVIDIA GPU port. If you are using laptop, please skip this method. The connection between your display monitor and the NVIDIA GPU port may be loose or it may be improperly connected. This stops your PC from registering the connection between your GPU and display. To do that, turn off your computer and your monitor. Unplug the cable between the monitor and the PC. Ensure the cables for damage and plug any cable into the GPU port on the back of your computer. Note, you have to connect this cable directly to the GPU port. Now, plug the cable into the monitor and turn on the computer. Then, right-click on the desktop and click on NVIDIA Control Panel. Method 2. Check the battery levels on the device. If you are using desktop, please skip this method. Ensure that the battery levels are intermediate or high, not low. If your PC has internal graphics, it will be switched to those when the power is low. Try charging the PC and then accessing the NVIDIA settings again. Method 3. Update NVIDIA drivers. I recommend using NVIDIA GeForce Experience to update NVIDIA graphics drivers. If you don't have it installed, go to the NVIDIA homepage and download it. Alternatively, you can also use the manual method to update driver. To do that, visit NVIDIA page. Then select full information about your graphics card and system. Click Start Search. Finally, choose the latest version to download and install. Method 4. Start NVIDIA service. Press Windows key R then type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down and you will see NVIDIA service. Now, right-click on NVIDIA Display Container LS then pick Properties. Navigate to Startup Type then select Automatic. After that, if it not running, click Start button to running. Click OK. Next, right-click on NVIDIA Local System Container then pick Properties. Navigate to Startup Type then select Automatic. After that, if it not running, click Start button to running. Click OK. Finally, check if the NVIDIA settings are working fine. If your problem does not vanish, change the connection method. For example, use DisplayPort to HDMI or vice versa. Still, if you face the same problem, consider removing the CPU, RAM and GPU from the motherboard. After that, clean the dust, clog, and tiny particles from the motherboard, RAM, and GPU by using dry, compressed air. Place all the components back in their original position. Close your computer. Plug in the power cables and turn on the PSU. Restart your PC and check if NVIDIA works now. Finally, if you face the same problem, then there might be a problem with the GPU or motherboard. Consider consulting a repair technician to test all your components. Replace the component that caused the catastrophic failure of NVIDIA.